Hi there, I'm Rose Jacobs here with you for Kalkinemedia. Today we're going to look at the 5 Canadian bank stocks to buy before their dividends surge. But first, make sure you hit that bell icon for all the latest updates right here on Kalkinemedia. Canadian banks have been prevented from hiking their dividends or buying back shares since March 2020. That's due to the pandemic. Some market experts believe that this has not only triggered a significant capital pile-up for the banks, but could also make way for a notable dividend hike once the Office of the Superintendent of Financial Institutions lifts the prohibition. So let's look into the stocks and dividend payouts of the top 5 Canadian banks. Number 1, Royal Bank of Canada, the top Canadian lender, which holds a market cap of about Canadian $187 billion, pays a quarterly dividend of Canadian $1.08 per share, with a dividend yield of 3.28% as of October 20. Royal Bank of Canada is set to pay its upcoming dividend on November 24, 2021. This dividend is set to be paid to shareholders who invested in Royal Bank of Canada stocks before the ex-dividend date of October 25. Number 2, Toronto Dominion Bank. The Toronto-based bank distributes a quarterly dividend of Canadian 79 cents per piece. This dividend inflated by 6.69% in the past 3 years and by 8.41% in 5 years. Toronto's Dominion Bank's dividend yield stood at 3.56% on October 20, and it is scheduled to pay out its dividend on October 31. Number 3, Bank of Nova Scotia. The Bank of Nova Scotia, commonly known as Scotiabank, is scheduled to pay its shareholders a dividend of Canadian 9 cents apiece on October 27. The bank's dividend expanded by 3.3% in 3 years and 4.96% in the past 5 years. Number 4, the Bank of Montreal. The Canadian $86.7 billion market cap bank is set to dole out a quarterly dividend of $1.06 per share on November 26. Bank of Montreal's dividend grew at a notable rate of 10.43% in the last 5 years. Number 5, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, known as CIBC in short. This bank is on course to dole out a dividend of $1.46 per share. The Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce posted a market cap of about $66.6 billion on October 20. Well, Hamilton Capital Partners report from Tuesday noted that, as per their research, dividends of Canadian banks are likely to hike this quarter as there is no policy justification for the moratorium to continue. While any sort of official confirmation is yet to come, a possible dividend hike for Canadian banks should be something investors should explore further. And that's it for today. But if you like what you've heard, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and go to kalkinemedia.com for plenty more. I'm Rose Jacobs. Catch you next time.